Hey everyone, so in honor of St. Patrick's Day, which is right around the corner, I thought it would be fun to make grasshopper pie. So the ingredients you will need are Oreo pie crust, marshmallow, green food coloring, peppermint extract, whipping cream, milk, and some chocolate. In a pot, melt around 20 marshmallows and add 1/4 cup of milk. Then add a piece of chocolate and 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract to give it that chocolate peppermint taste. After everything is combined, take it off the stove and set aside for it to cool a bit. While your marshmallow mixture is cooling, in a clean bowl, add your whipping cream. Whip it together until it forms soft peaks like so. After that, combine your marshmallow mixture to your whipped cream mixture. Add a couple drops of green food coloring and combine everything. Then pour your pie filling into your pie crust. You can then add chocolate chips or crushed chocolates into the pie or on top of the pie to decorate. Put it into the fridge to set for a couple of hours or overnight. After everything has set, you are ready to serve.